How to use if PC disability insurance Norway properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. If PC disability insurance in Norway is designed to protect your income if illness or injury prevents you from working, but many people make mistakes that reduce coverage or risk claim denial. The surprising truth is, not every condition is automatically covered as a disability under your policy. A major mistake is misunderstanding the definition of disability. If PC offers coverage for either your own occupation or any occupation, choosing the wrong type could leave you underprotected if your disability affects only your current role. Ignoring the waiting period is another common error. This is the time before benefits begin. Longer waiting periods lower premiums but leave you financially exposed, while shorter periods cost more but provide faster support. Align this with your savings and monthly expenses to avoid unnecessary stress. Underestimating benefit amounts is another trap. Coverage should match your income, living costs, and financial obligations. Selecting too low a benefit may save money upfront, but can leave you vulnerable during serious illness or injury. Skipping optional riders is also a mistake. If PC offers riders such as partial disability coverage, future increase options, and cost of living adjustments, foregoing these reduces flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize your claim. If PC requires full transparency during both application and claims, misreporting or omitting details may delay or even deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, if PC disability insurance Norway can provide strong, reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability, choose the right waiting period, set sufficient benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to safeguard your financial future.